In our last topics, we discussed sequence. And say sequence have AP, GP, and series. So what we're going to need to solve as many particle papers and end up with that sequence. I'm starting with the last NECO, this NECO 2018. Question number 2 of OBJ. I like dealing with the current ones, not going to pass compare, maybe that's solved. I want to solve this one fresh. 2018. I'm starting with the question number 12, OBJ. Number 12. Because stuff. The first of an AP is equal to 2 times the common difference. That the first term A equal to 2 times the common difference D. If the first term A is equal to 2 times the common difference, that's what I told here. It's equal to twice the common difference D. And find the fifth term in terms of D. They are saying find the fifth term in terms of D. In terms of D. What is the fifth term in terms of D? Given that the first term is A and A is equal to 2D. What is the fifth term? I said the formula remains L equals A L minus 1 for any term. And if I look at the fifth term, our N now equals 5. Therefore L equals A plus 5 minus 1 D. Therefore L equals A plus 4D. But I'm told here that the first term is A and is equivalent to 2D. And it's actually find the fifth term all in the name of D, leaving your answer in D. My A here says I am 2D. So coming back here, L now equals, sorry, my A says I am 2D, 2D plus 4D. So in terms of D now, the fifth term, for the fifth term, because 2D for A and plus 4D, now 6D. That's what they give me this year, question number 12. And that also is option C. I'll go back again. We are told in question number 12 NECO this year. The first term of an AP is equal to 2 times the common difference. The first term A is equal to 2 times the common difference, therefore A equals 2D. And let's say find the fifth term in terms of D. What would the fifth term be? Using it in D, expressing it in DD. And I'm told that the first term A is equal to 2D. But any term in an AP means L equals A plus L minus 1D. Now we are looking for the fifth term, so N is 5. So L equals A plus 5 minus 1D. Therefore L equals A plus 4D. But I'm told that already A is equal to 2D. So in place of I put 2D. So the everything here remains the fifth term. So fifth term therefore becomes 2D in place of A plus 4D. That's 6D. So the option there is T. C. That's what I give this here, number 12. NECO 2018, number 12. Now let's go to number 14 again. The same NECO 2014, number 14. Common ratio of a progression of a GP. Common ratio in a GP is 2. Now that R equals to that what means. And the common ratio in a GP is 2. In the fifth term, you have told us that the fifth term you are given. The fifth term is greater than the first term by 24. Fifth term is greater than the first term by 45. You are given that in a GP geometric progression, the ratio is 2. Now that R equals 2. And also told that given that the fifth term is greater than, sorry, this term, greater than the first term by 45. The question now is find the fifth term. Find the fifth term. Find the fifth term. That's the question. One, we know the common ratio. Common ratio is R. Also, we are given that fifth term is greater than the first term by 45. What is first term? The first term is A. In any GP, first term is always A. Whether AP or GP, first term in GP equals A. And I told that the fifth term is greater than this by 45. So what is the fifth term first? Fifth term equals what? AR 5 minus 1. That's the formula, equals AR to the power 4. And our fifth term is greater than the first term by 45. So if I want to equate the fifth, in other words, if I want the first to be equal to the fifth, it means I have to add 45. First term plus 45 will make it equal to fifth. See what I mean? Fifth is greater than the first term by 45. So if I want to equate the first term to fifth, I just add the 45 to the first term. Then two of them will become equal. That's what I've done. If the fifth term is a to power AR to power, that's A to power 4. And for first term plus 45 will be equal to fifth term. And what the fifth term? Fifth term is here. In other words, first term is what? A plus 45. For them, for equate this to equals fifth term. And fifth term is A to the power 4. And I'm also told here that the common ratio is given. I give common ratio to be 2. In other words, our area will be 2. The A now becomes plus 45 equals A times 2 to the power 4. Say the common ratio is given to be 2. Given common ratio to be this. Now 2 to the power 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 16. In other words, A plus 45 equals A times 16. That's 16A, of course. I'm going to transfer it down here again. What transfer we just echo this here? We just finish number 12, what we do now number 14. A plus 45 equals 16. Bring light and move A across here. So 45 equals 16A will now move. Only this A will move across to become minus A. Now 45 now plus equal to 15A. Can divide both sides by 15 to get the value of A. Divide both sides by 15. Divide by 15. I want to solve for A. 15. 15 goes, leaving only A here. 15 goes, giving only 3. Or 3. In other words, A now equals 3. Now, but the question is saying, find the fifth term. And I know the common ratio. I'm giving, of course, not, I'm giving the common ratio to be 2. From my solution, I've got it at A is 3. But fifth term says I have A to the power R to the power 4. Now, what's that fifth term? The fifth term equals A to R to the power 4. Do I know A? Yes, my A is now 3. Do I know R? I'm giving R is 2. No, therefore fifth term because A says I am 3 times R says I am 2 to the power 4. That is 3 times 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16 times 16. That is 48. For NECO this year, 48 is option D. So if you saw NECO this year, the answer is D. But I'll take it again. You are given that common ratio of a GP is 2. That's R is now 2. And you are given also that the fifth term is greater than the first term by 45. Find the fifth term. That's the question. Now, first term in the GP is always A. Now, fifth term is always A plus R to the power 5 minus 1. 6 is fifth. R is N is 5. That's A to the power 4. A R to the power 4. Now, you are told that fifth term is greater than the first by 45. So if I want to equate fifth to first, I will add 45 to first term, so it will be equal to this. So my first term is first, plus 45, this is first. First plus 45 equals the fifth, now equal, so add 45. That's A, first term is A plus 45 equals A to, A times R to the power 4. A equals to that, then open up this, where R is 2. So here it's now 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is therefore 16 equals A plus 45. I bring it here. If 45 equals 16, I'll move A across to meet this man. Subtract A. Then 45 equals 16A minus A. If you subtract, get 15A. 15 equals 45, then divide by 15, 15, 15, 15. Well, now that your A is 3. Now, they say, what is the fifth term? Find the fifth term. And I know about my A is 3, my common ratio is 2. Now, the fifth term is A to the power R 5 minus 1, which is 4. And the fifth term, A is not to be 3 times R is 4. Sorry, 2 to the power 4. That's 3 to the power 16. That's 63,048. That's what I gave it.